friends, let's read together. So let's start. One star shines as a distant light, and when stars shine together, they make our galaxy. One bee wanders through my garden, and when bees work together, they are a colony. One bird calls into the wind, and when birds call together, they make a cacophony. One tree grows toward the sun, and when trees grow together, they make a canopy. One voice sings a tender song, and when voices sing together, they make harmony. One instrument plays an unforgettable beat, and when instruments play together, they are a symphony. One mountain raised to a mighty peak, and when mountains raise together, they are majesty. One wave is a surfer's dream, and when waves move together, they are an endless sea. One of us can make a home. When we come together, we are a family. One of us can love with all our heart. And when we love together, we build a community. One of us can speak up for justice. And when we speak up together, we create a world of possibility. The end. I hope you like this book. See you in the next video.